These are Allwyn throb watches, very rare to get. Somehow I was lucky to find these, and we three friends grabbed these watches. Allwyn actually made very nice watches, and they have a Seiko skeleton movements inside. I heard these were made in only limited pieces. I have no idea about it, but a few say only 200 pieces were made. Anyways, I am very happy to have these watches in my collection now. Allwyn throb skeleton. See the watches, how it is. Beautiful watches. Beautiful watches. You can see how it changes. Very neatly made Allwyn throb watches.